Hello dear students. In this video I am going to discuss about fetch cycle, write cycle and state. Fetch cycle. The microprocessor fetches the opcode or data from the memory or input devices as follows. The content of the program counter, the address is placed in the MAR register. The content of the MAR is then transferred to the decoder, which is interfaced or inbuilt with the memory device. Next, the decoder decodes the address and select the appropriate location according to the address supplied to it. The content of the specified address is read and transferred into the microprocessor. If the item read is an opcode, then it is placed in the instruction register, and if the item read is data, then it is placed in the data register. This is a fetch cycle. This is called fetch cycle or memory read cycle. In particular, following events are carried out within a fetch cycle. First, send address through address bus and decode the address, read the content of the specified location, transfer the content of the specified location in the memory to the microprocessor. Okay. Next, write cycle. Write cycle is one that interprets writing operation. Microprocessor can send data to a specific location of the memory or to an output device. During writing operation, the microprocessor transfers the content of the program counter to the memory decoder through the MAR register. Microprocessor uses write signal for writing into the memory. Next, state. The microprocessor processes data at a rate which is determined by the clock signal, that is crystal output it has been interfaced with. The time required to complete a read, that is fetch and write cycle, is measured in terms of state. The state is related to the clock frequency of the microprocessor. Some microprocessors operate at higher clock frequency and some at lower clock frequency. Usually it is operated with the frequency which is half of the crystal frequency, that is F oscillator. If the crystal frequency is 10 megahertz, then the frequency with which the microprocessor processes is 5 megahertz, that is half of the crystal frequency. The state can be calculated as T state equals to 1 by oscillator frequency divided by 2. So that is equals to 200 nanosecond. In this case, see here what is F oscillator, that is 10 megahertz. So therefore 1 by 10 by 2, that is 5, 1 by 5 megahertz, that is equals to 200 nanosecond. Okay. Some microprocessors require 3 states, that is a 3 clock period to complete a fetch cycle, and some requires more. A 3-state time fetch cycle would be completed in 600 nanoseconds if the crystal frequency is 10 megahertz. Okay. See, this is the diagram. So this is the crystal frequency here, one state. Okay. Thank you.